Alright, boys. We have the Holy Grail right here. Are you ready? Bob Ross. Got the Bob Ross action figure. He comes with paintbrushes. He comes with his palette, bucket. And he's got his paint and stuff right there. And I've been dying to open this since I picked it up. Let's go. Oh, got another one. Okay. I'm keeping this box too. I'm trying to preserve it. How does one... What the hell? Ah, there we are. Out it comes. Beautiful. Magnificent. The background itself is painting of his. I'll set that on the tire. And yeah, here are the contents. Oh boy. I'm trying not to break them. Come on. You can do it. Come out here. Oh. There he is, ladies and gentlemen. Say hello to Bob Ross. Hell yeah. That's magnificent. Alright. Next we're going to get the easel out here. With his painting on it. Actually, it has one of those paintings that, oh shit. Just a little moisture packer or whatever. Actually, here's the bucket. The assorted paintbrushes. How do I get those out? They're like stuck in there. Wait, oh, I see. They're all. Number 1. 2. And this little thing. This looks like more of a knife than a brush. Oh, it's a palette knife, it looks like. Yeah, it's a palette knife. And of course the palette itself. His assorted paint colors. Magnificent. And, yeah, what appears to be the, yeah. Oh, yeah. Make sure I don't break this thing here. God, that thing is beautiful. I'll set that right here. I don't know what this thing is. Oh, I think that might... I think it would go... No. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's up with that. I think... Oh. Alright, you do that, and your bucket goes in here. I see. Or something along those lines, I'm not sure. Oh well. But yeah, there's that. Yeah. Bob Ross. Right here. Alright, so yeah. Got him out of the box, got him set up. Painting his stuff. He's got his palette in his hand and all that. All the extra accessories I just have there on his little bucket thingy. Yeah. That is how it looks. Hell yeah.